पाइन ट्रीज जो मुझे रियली बहुत अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. आई लव their color, their fragrance, and I generally go in Uttarakhand, the land of God, as my in-laws' place is there. So I frequently visit here and I always collect pine cones and which I decorate in my home. So today I'm going to share one of the artwork inspired by the pine trees. So let's start making this. So I have recently bought this set of different types of brushes from the local vendor here. And today I'll be using liner brush for making pine tree. And I'll be using these watercolors from Camel brand. So let's start making pine leaves. So I hope you like the video, and if you really like this video then do not forget to subscribe my channel. I share content related to art, lifestyle and travel vlogs. So I hope you will enjoy this video. So enjoy the process and you can make along with me also. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram channel, which is in the name of creative_kalakari. You can find me on Facebook and Pinterest also with the same name, Creative Kalakari. So this was the art which was really inspired from the pine tree. So if you really like this video, then do not forget to share this and please subscribe to my channel for more updates.